Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all. It is Thursday, old school deal of the week. Thursday's old school soul food deal of the week. That's how I say it. Anyway, y'all, before I get to deal of the week, y'all already see what the deal of the week is by the picture and the description. But I got some shout outs I need to get. I had some free things come through the mail from me from some old school soul food family members. And you know, I always like to nod when people send me stuff here. Let's get to this card here. Let's see, this lady is Rhonda Harris out of Spartanburg, South Carolina. I'm gonna start saying y'all last name. I ain't gonna give you, of course, I ain't gonna give you address, but Rhonda Harris out of Spartanburg, South Carolina. She sent me this retirement, the first day of the best day of your life. And what's in this card is amazing because y'all really know me. Y'all know what I like. Y'all know what I love. They show how attentive y'all are to my channel and what I say on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. So let me show you what she got me after I read the card here. To say, wishing you happiness, freedom, and a whole lot of fun. Congratulations. And she wrote a little thing here. See the nice card here? But she also sent me this. And y'all know what I love. Look at this here, y'all. What is that? That's a Dairy Queen, $25 Dairy Queen road trip gift card. You know how much ice cream I can buy with 25 bucks at Dairy Queen? You know how many ice cream I can get? Maybe 10. I know I can get 5, maybe 8. But I appreciate this, Rhonda. The next road trip, I'm definitely gonna put that card to work. Y'all know I love me some Dairy Queen ice cream. I appreciate that. Okay, this from Alejandro Ruiz from Carson, California. Let me show y'all this now. I already opened it, but I haven't put it on my wall yet. Let me show y'all this. Look at this here. Now this is amazing. I got this, matter of fact, last week. See this? Look at that. You know I like my Cowboys. I'm officially a season ticket holder for the Cowboys as of yesterday. For the first time, that was a goal of mine. I had a lifetime goal, y'all, of being a season ticket holder for the Dallas Cowboys, and it finally come full circle yesterday. I mean, it's not cheap, but it's something I had a goal in life, and I finally got that goal done yesterday. I'm a full-time Dallas Cowboys season ticket holder to every game. So look, this is what she got me, man. Chef Jeffrey, I love it. Appreciate that. Also, now I assume she sent this one too from I guess this comes from Amazon. Yeah, I assume she sent this also. I'm gonna show y'all this here because there's no name on this one. It's the same thing. See that? Dallas Cowboys right here, grill set. This is awesome. Awesome, awesome. So when I do my, you already know when I go to AT&T Stadium, do my tailgating with my other friends, look what we're going to be having right there. I can fit right in with the other tailgaters. With my apron on and my spatula, I'm good to go. So I really appreciate that, Alejandro, for that. So y'all, we're going to step off here in a minute. I'm going to come back and I'm going to show y'all an awesome deal of the week that's going to help a lot of y'all out. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all. Now, y'all know how I feel about mixers. I've been trying to get with KitchenAid. They don't respond. I'm trying to get a deal, and people don't have mixers. KitchenAid mixers cost, one I cost 300 bucks. And they're not cheap. So I reached out to this company, a couple of companies reached out to me. They're selling mixers. I did a little research on them. And I agreed to, you know, kind of promote them because a lot of people don't have mixers. A lot of people can't afford the KitchenAid because it's very pricey. I'm not gonna be around the corner. A good KitchenAid mixer is gonna cost you between 200 and 300 bucks, but they last forever. But this one here, I got a deal on this that you'll see in the description in the video with the discounts and discount code. You can get by like 100 bucks. This one right here, and it's multifunctional just like the KitchenAid and stuff like that. And you know, I used to keep 2 mixers all the time. I used to keep one on each side. The KitchenAid that I didn't use a lot, and I keep my other one just so I have to overwork my KitchenAid. I used to keep a mixer like this on the other side of my counter. I do have a hand mixer also that I use a lot. Y'all see me use. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna step off here. I'm gonna take this out of the box. Y'all know how I am with fumbling with boxes. It never acts right when you're on camera. If I'm on camera, this thing ain't gonna come out this box. But if I ain't on the camera, it's gonna come out perfectly. So I'm gonna step off, I'm gonna get this thing assembled, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna show you the function of it and what it has in it, what it has not in it. And the name of the company right here is Acekool. I'm gonna put all this in the description of the video. The discount code, the link to the Amazon and everything gonna be in the description of the video. So it's gonna be about 100, 115 bucks before the discount code, and maybe less than 100 after. It ain't gonna be no $200 or $300, I promise you. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. I got it put together here, y'all. I actually like this thing. They asked me which one I wanted to show, and I told them give me the black one. You know, I like the red or black. This one doesn't show to me dirt too much, I assume. But let me turn it to the side here before I demonstrate this. You can see from this side. I'll do it from this side. I like this here. You know, I like flashing lights, y'all. I love that. I think that's pretty cool. But anyway, y'all, open it up like this. And it comes with a dough hook, the paddle, and then of course the whip here. It also comes with the guard, which I never use on my KitchenAid, but it comes with this too. We'll put the we're gonna put the, see if I can do this from the side, y'all. This down. Oh, I got it too. This thing should go up a little. Let me take this guard off of here, y'all. Come on, y'all. I know I'm in y'all way right now. I get this thing on there. Okay. Get it down here. Turn it this way. I'm trying to do it to the side where y'all can get it. Make sure this bolt is on here. I see the bolt ain't on that tight. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Make sure that's what happened. That's how I broke the other bowl. I ain't have it on that tight enough. There we go. It's got enough power to do what it, I guess it has enough power to do what it needs to do. But it say 5 to 10 levels. It can tell you how to go up on the dough hook. You definitely, when you're doing bread, you definitely don't want to go another 4th level. I guess this is really idiot proof. Because it gives you the level, how high you should go on the level. Any time you're doing bread on a dough hook, you never go as high. I know that because I burned a mixer out one time. I had the baking dough, I had it all the way up to the top, and I burnt the mixer out. So that's just educational right there when you're doing bread using the dough hook. But it actually lets you know. And I like this blinking light here. It's like a safety feature. Say when you see this blinking, don't put your hands near the bowl. But yeah, y'all, it's like I say, a lot of people, they can't afford the you know what, I'm gonna put the paddle in there. Y'all know I use my paddle a lot. Put the paddle in here when I make my cakes. Check this out and see here. Oh, y'all, I can't get the thing on there, y'all. There we go. There we go. Lock this, put it down. Check this out again here. Like I say, they got this guard on here too. Put on here. You know, I never use my guard on my KitchenAid, because to me it's a distraction to me. Because I like to pour a lot, and this little hole here doesn't allow you to put too much stuff. But if you like the little guard here, it's here. I have one on my KitchenAid, but I don't never use it. But yeah, y'all, like I say, Acekool is the name of the company. It's saying like the motor is very powerful. I can tell. That's why I kept cutting it on, where I could feel the motor. The motor is very, very strong. So I'm gonna put a description of all information in the description box there. The price, the link, and the discount code. All that'll be in the description box. Like I say, those people that can't afford $200 to $300 for a KitchenAid mix, you can get this into about $100, a little bit less. And the sound of the motor lasts you a long time. It gets you through the next few years. So anyway, y'all, this is an old school soul food deal of the week. And I'm gonna close this video out. And it also come with a little cookbook here. But y'all don't need that. Y'all got my cookbook. Y'all got my cook. Y'all don't need this here. When you get them cookbooks, throw it in the trash, because you learn all from me, not from others. So anyway, y'all, if you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.